Hello, Aman. Hello, Aman. Hello, Aman.
Hello.
Hello, Aman.
Yes.
Uh, like I tried the pagination example that's Nagendra sir gave me, and I'm having a problem. Like it's saying that somewhere I'm passing the integer. No, no, somewhere I'm passing the string type, and it wants the int or something.
Okay. Okay. So you can show me.
Like on this one, this is the data that I have, and
Okay.
and I've not done like I have the pages I put over here is manually, but it has not taken the photo, and it's saying that
Okay. So actually, you are passing somewhere a string, and you have to pass int. So in pagination, just convert that ID, maybe ID. So that is coming as a string. So convert it into integer.
like in the pagination JSP
No, in servlet. Oh,
server
sorry, in controller.
controller. So over here, this is this is the my request, and it's taking. I don't know. I just copied the whole code from. This is the code for that URL mapping, and I think it is taking the integer from here, maybe, but I don't know how to eliminate that.
Actually, one second. Just show me your error. Okay. Load photo, see photo, see photo, see photo. Okay. And just scroll down and scroll up. Okay, one second. One second. Beast out line number 166. Open. 166. Okay, one second. Um, okay, just convert this total into uh, string and then see.
The total.
Just one second. Int, it's already int. Select ID name this one. Okay. Then CID is in integer. Okay. So ID is integer in this biz.java file.
Wizard Java.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it's integer. Okay.
Like, yeah, okay. This is the code that I used for the get my list. The only addition that I did here was added this page ID and the total. I think it is pulling this details from the request, the controller.
Mm-hmm. For input string, load photo. For input string, show me your JSP. Okay. Okay. Open this load photo controller. In load photo, you are taking dbid integer. Okay. Mm, Plus F6. F6 again. Okay, just 1 second. Open this get employee by page method. I will just make one debug point here. Okay, now go back to that page and press F6. Press F6. Okay, now press F6 again. F6. Okay, then F6. What happened?
I think it,
Okay, and just 1 second. Just 1 second. CID. So here in this query, ID name brand DOE. So where you're taking photo? Just
photo
1 second.
in the second for loop.
Okay, so by ID. Press F6 again. F6 and then F6 again.
One more time. That's
1 second. Just see error. Okay, okay. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. It's let's see what value in this. We have brand name. It's coming blank. So 1 second actually. Okay, not better. Ah, okay. So it's coming blank. Just show me your database. Uh, actually, it's not visible. Okay. So you have PRD then Visa ID both. Cool. Just press F6 again for PID 5. 1 second. Just let's see one thing. Okay, one second. ID is coming one. So for one, you have um, check in database. You have some biz ID for one also.
Uh, for PID, one,
Mm, For
uh,
PID one.
PID one, no.
I think you don't have any image for ID one.
Okay.
Okay, for one you have here.
Over here, but over here, because it's only one image. It's only one image, so it's not coming
Hmm.
in yet. This ID.
Okay, so let's see your query. Oh, open your Eclipse again. Okay, just one second. Select stuff from DB1. So it's your table name, DB1.
Yeah, the DB1 is with
Show
the
me.
PID.
Actually, in this table you don't have that. That's why it is showing you error.
Which one?
Like in DB1, you don't have PID1.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Uh, should I delete that and see if it loads or not?
Yes. Or you can add some like more images for this one. That was the only problem. You don't have data for PID1 in this DB1.
How did it come to know? Okay, from the debugger. Aman,
Yes.
how did you how did you come to know came to know that okay, if, by only not the presence of one, this error came up.
Uh, Actually, you can as you can see, we debug it. Okay, and you when you place your mouse on this CID, you can see it is coming null.
Where at the
You
end?
yes, you can see bracket,
Yes.
array bracket without any value. That means we don't have value in this.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. So you can just debug your application and see what is the cause of error. For ID4 you have data, so when you will pass ID4 there, it will show you. One second. Actually, your application is running in debug mode. So just go back to Eclipse and press F8.
That's it.
Yes,
Yeah.
again F8. Press F8, then F8.
That's it.
Mm, yes,
Should I run it again?
just go and see there in browser.
Browse. It's, it's still loading.
Actually, just run your application. Stop debug mode and normally run your application.
Ah, saying the same thing. Hello,
Yes.
yes,
Just one second.
Guys, can you hear me? Aman, what is the hero? What is the error here?
Sir, actually, required is integer and values coming in string.
That's why we may be sending, some string, CDR integer in the query string.
Actually, sir, the value from database is coming null
No,
in this.
problem is not at database side. Can you maximize the console? Problem is, I think, on the controller. This error. Okay, can you maximize this?
yeah.
I
I
want
think
to see this characters. Yeah, yeah. Can you go to left side? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Can you go up? Wait, wait. SSL connection, but this is a different thing. But where that number format exception is coming, can you go up? Mm-hmm. Go yeah. This error is something different or what? It's kind of like data is not coming. Can you go up? When this error is coming?
mm, so. What I did was I did the previous code that you taught us to show the base, the always the images that we add like 3, 4, 5 images.
Hmm.
The code that you use, I use the same code to get the data, but this time I added int page and total, and in the controller I have this new thing.
So you tell me which URL you are hitting. Can you show me in the pagination? Both.
With the URL I was hitting this one.
And just show me. This init must have some page ID. Just show me and clear your console. Eclipse console. This is coming, right?
Yeah, but only the image is not loaded.
Oh, wait. Only image is not coming. So you just check it for photo. You can't do like this. Give me the control.
Okay.
If you want to really solve the problem, give me the control first and come to the HTML page, HTML browser one,
Browse.
not code. Yep. Yeah. Like here, in order to see what problem is, right click on that or inspect it, and here you can click on the network. Like I can show you what mistake you are doing. You see, hey, this is the right path. Hello?
Email.
The photo is not coming. It's like bad. It's a bad request. I don't know. Do you have bad request? This is the URL which you are hitting to bring the photo. Am I right?
Yes.
See load photo DV, right? But it's saying bad request because I think there's something wrong. Where you have this code init see load photo DVID 26. Can you go to the Eclipse? Where you have see load photo?
This in our in this in Eclipse, I am using init over here, and it's whenever it goes
एक second,
to
एक second, एक second.
okay,
Photo. Where we are fetching the photo?
in this lit JSP.
In
It's
this GSP, you are making the call, okay, which I was showing you know in the browser.
yes,
Which call you
over
are making?
over here it is calling the load photo.
No, not this is the call. You are making something else, right? Your line number 46 problem is. Go to the 46.
On the JSP.
Uh, line number 46 on this. Yeah, problem is on this. C DV ID, you know, CID. Where you have CID is this. Why is saying here bad request? Can you show me the code? C load photo. Where you map it? C load photo. Give me a second. It's probably. Code seems to be okay. Then what is the issue? You have to debug it. Okay. You know how to debug? Without that, you cannot do it. Give me a second.
Yeah, I think Aman and we tried to do that earlier.
Uh, Wait. We have to see this is if this is not working fine. Of course, image will not come. Why your application name is very big? Go to the pagination part.
Like in DAO, in
Hmm.
is DAO.
No, you run it now. It's
Oh,
okay. I put the debug point already over there. You need to just go and hey, it's running already in debug mode. You go and access in the browser. You know how to access the application?
uh, like from the URL.
Uh-huh. Hmm. Go ahead. And it's running in debug mode. So wait. Go to the Eclipse. Wait. Why it is stuck? Why it is stuck over here? प्रॉब्लम है देखो पूरा प्रिंट तो हो रहा है, तूने प्रिंट नहीं किया ना? शो मी द लॉग। गलत तरीके से किया था, कहाँ से होगा? प्लस कर दो उसको। क्या है अभी? Fail to convert value of type string to required type integer. Oh, तुम देख रहे हो मिस्टर? Here you are setting string C load photo. That's the problem.
In my controller.
Exactly. You are
Yeah.
setting this value when you are hitting it. I think load photo required type. Can you come to the GSP code where you have all those bad things? Can you go to the GSP, man? Open it. Open the GSP, not this one. GSP code. Hmm. In Eclipse. Wait, karo. Wait. Where you are making the call? Yeah, the CID. This is pagination one.
Yes, sir.
So
But this is the same exact code that you use for the
no,
show
no, no,
button.
no. Wait.
And I think the problem is in the control and how I didn't pass it correctly.
Problem is not in DAO could be latter thing, right? First of all, it is not reaching to the controller. C load photo. Who is sending C load photo? As on the beach.get, I don't know what you have said over here. Oh my God, what यहाँ पे CID is
There is
uh,
a
रुको,
list that
wait. So I want to see. I have doubt on this. C load photo. I'm just printing all these values. I don't know. Go and refresh your page. Refresh your. Give me a second. Yeah, how I did mistake. Yeah. Hmm. I did some mistake. Parenthesis. Yep. So what issue are there? Unknown tag. Not like operator. No. Can you run it? I'll tell you then something. Can you go and refresh your GSP? GSP or HTML page where you are showing the data. Actually, there is a login. Can you go to Eclipse? Let me remove it. It's okay. Let's go to your GSP. Load photo. Hey man, this is coming okay. I printed the thing. इसकी length कितनी आ रही है? It's very weird. Can you go to the clips? Wait. तो 55 ने तुमने ट्रिम करने के बाद प्रिंट किया होगा ना भाई. Total 5. Where the issue? Let me check. For is saying anyway, let me try. Can you go to the what browser, please? तुम भाई कितनी आ रही लेंथ उससे पहले? Can you go to the yeah. Can you go to the clips? Just do it fast, please. Not here, man. I need to. Wait a second. Where it's coming here, right? But this is the old one. I know it is not paginated one. Wait a second. Can you go to the HTML file quickly, please?
For the pagination.
Yep. Not code, not code. Code is fine. I just want to your GSP file, your HTML page in the browser, not
Okay.
in the clip. Wait a second. You just made not inspect it. Where are you keep here? Let's do here. And network man, it will show you quest. Go to the clips. I don't know why you cannot see everything. Eclipse में हो. Problem is, so it's okay. Can you come to the browser? The 400 में oh, init clot photo type txt html. Oh, very weird error. You're making this call. What's wrong in this? Bad request, and bad request. URL name, this is my string. Init see. Database not an issue, okay? Issue is your client side. Are you following me? When you are
Yes, sir.
getting 400, means there is something wrong you're in the request. So I'm very surprised that this is we're saying bad request. Is init. What? The integer man, dbid, where is string 400. Hmm. I don't know. Here, actually, you are making this call, and in DB ID you are passing 32. But I'm surprised. There's some space or what? Can you copy this? What you can do is you can open save clearhouse, open. यहाँ पे ideally why your photo is not rendering over here? Who is this? Like everything is fine. When you hit it, your photo should render or not? Of course, man. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
I don't know you're following me or not. Bad request. Why this photo is not coming? Can you show me? But early,
I-
other place you said is working, right?
Is there anything wrong with the web XML?
No. Where you have mapped it? Can you go to the Eclipse? Eclipse controller. No, this is okay.
Oh,
This seems to be okay.
for the load
Hmm.
photo?
Yeah, this URL, right? The URL which problem is, Danny, what mistake you did, only God knows. But I know. Where you have init on top,
All the way at the bottom?
all the bottom.
All the
But
way.
uh, where you have this mapping
Uh,
slash init slash you don't have at all.
okay. Like the init, whenever I call the init, it makes whenever the init is called, the
No,
this
no, no.
becomes
That is different thing. I'm not talking about this. This is working fine. Okay. I'm
and
talking about a photo thing.
photo. It is called from the JSP, the lead JSP.
Uh, You're not following me. I'm talking about where you have code to render the photo in the controller.
Controller. Okay, okay.
Tap. So I think, but why is showing photos here? I'm confused.
This is the code.
I think I got it. I got it. What you did it. But I'm very sorry. I took a lot of time. Hmm? You know what mistake you did?
I don't know.
Here you mention init unnecessarily thing, right? So I don't know. Your call was I don't know how it was going to the pagination, right? So this is the issue. You go and remove from the JSP and problem is solved. You don't have init anywhere?
No, the init I'm calling from controller, and the after the
No,
controller.
no, no. I'm very sorry. I got the reason. Actually, this is the problem with the relative path. Are you following me? Your path is automatically changed, right? It is prefixed with init. You got the
Yeah,
problem?
path is prefixed with the init.
Init because you are starting pagination, I think init and something else, right?
Yeah.
So guys, I stuck in this problem. Normally I do not for a long time. The reason is everybody should use this path, right? This is called what? This is dollar page context request dot quant. This is called absolute path, right? You should always give this path. Fine.
Yeah, absolute path.
This is good practice. I think this was the reason. Anything else I mistake? Yeah, no. What's issue? Okay. This issue is not an issue. This is the GSP page context issue. You can go and refresh your page. It should work now. And this controller, man, I don't need to do anything. I don't know other people. You got the cause. Okay, run it.
Okay, give me a second.
Go and run it now. Touch it. Huh? Hmm?
Okay.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Like here you have init, right? And when you go to some other page, that init will be prefixed in all the photos. So in order to solve, you know, I don't know other people. You got this issue? Actually, in JSP, you are not supposed to use relative path. You should always use absolute path. The way I do dollar page context dot. But I don't know. Blah blah blah. But I took a lot of time.
Mm.
Hmm.
Thought of this.
Let me teach you a little bit more.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know. What about no problem? Most welcome anytime. Other people, have you gone through the Java 8? I just want to know yes, या no. चलेगा ना तुमको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there was one assignment. I don't know you did or not. Rotating the photo. Pagination was there, and rotating the photo was also one of there, right? When you're doing left, right, your photo should rotate.
Yes,
That
yes.
was tough. You did it?
No, I gave it a couple of try, but I couldn't find proper logic to do that.
Okay. Yesterday we did it, couple of. Let me show you some more. What I'm going to show you is not much tough. Here we have a limit. Limit is another intermediate operation. What it does is easy, right? So this is going to create how many element in the stream? Any guess? This line, it is creating a stream of the integer, but how many element would be there? Infinite.
Finite.
So if you comment this and you are going to print it, it will not go out of memory error. You know why? Because you are not creating all the data in one shot. It is printing it and you are creating it. So it would go out of memory error. It will ongoing process. Any guess?
It'll keep on printing, I think.
It will keep on printing. Why? Why? Because stream is lazy in nature. Stream is lazy in nature. Can you see this? Yep. Done. But you want to limit. Limit means, hey, this stream says I would not allow more than 200.
100.
After 200, element will be stopped. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
If you have a jump of 2, so it will start starting with I think 0. So it will stop in 398. You know, इतना आ रहा ना?
Yes, sir.
Or give me a second. एक second. Anybody have any other question query? No. So limit is clear to you?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
We have mean and max example also. Yesterday I was talking about comparable and comparator. I think I just stopped in between. So I'm just interested to know what is the difference between comparable and comparator. Let me ask this question. Anup, can you answer this question?
Yes, sir. My question.
You haven't heard my question. My question was, what is the difference between comparable and comparator?
Comparator.
Huh?
Not sure.
I'm not sure. Okay. Have this thing you are listening first time or
No, I've been
Your voice is not coming clear to me. You are using headphone or laptop speakers? Actually, I'm very sorry. I'm not able to understand what you're saying. Comparable and it's okay. Compare like comparable. When you come for the station, try to use good quality of headphone. I don't use desktop and laptop speaker. Sometimes that's not clear. I think. Mm. So let me talk to somebody else. Who can tell me? Sagar, what about you? I want to know what is a comparator and what is a comparable, and when we use what. That's my question.
So I think comparable is interface and comparator is a method that
Both is an interface.
both is interface. So I think comparable just sort the list in natural ordering, and comparator will compare two objects.
I confused. You said comparable is sorting data as per
Natural ordering.
natural order, and comparator does sorting for the object, right?
Yeah.
What do you mean by comparable does sorting as per the natural ordering? Natural ordering. I want to know that.
Like if natural ordering, we have list and natural ordering as ascending order. So if you want to compare the two objects, then we use comparator. And if you want to sort a list and order that in natural ordering, then we use comparable.
So, but comparator also does the same job, right? Comparator also, do the same thing whatever comparable does.
So I think comparable is something like it has the ability to compare itself with a different object. But if you want to compare two different objects we want to do, so then we use comparator.
Can you give me some examples so that they can understand?
So if I say something like what I say?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I think it's good. Balsa,
Um, uh, I thought one of them was interface and one of them was method, but you just told that
uh,
it's incorrect.
both is interface, and both are functional interface. Comparable
Okay.
and comparator. Done. Okay, I don't know. Anybody wants to try? Anybody feel like you know it?
I think comparable is a single sorting sequences and comparator does the multiple sorting sequences.
I think you can do multiple sorting sequence in both.
Okay.
Correct me.
Whenever we need, we put object
Like
with comparator.
Can you come again?
Like let's say our poser class Bees, right? So Bees has a lot of variables inside it. So if we need to compare an object as a whole, then we need comparator.
Whole thing? What do you mean whole thing?
The variables inside it. That's what I just think that. I don't know.
Okay. I don't know. Hmm. Okay. See, guys, let me tell you a story. I'm going to show you basically, and I got what happened to it. Oh, you want to restart it? You can start it Sunday. Give me a second. Hey, guys, you have to listen me very carefully. What I'm saying is, like here, suppose 10 people are coming in, 10 employees are coming in front of me, right? Every employee has name, email, ID, and age, right? They are coming to me, and I said, hey, can you make a queue as per your age, please? Hello. Then it makes sense, right? but
Yes,
10
sir.
employees are coming to me. They came to me. Okay, I said, hey, can you make a cube? So you tell me, if I say, can you make a cube, a cube, and then I'm not saying anything, right? I'm just saying, just make a cube. I'm not saying anything, right? So how will they will make the cube? Am I right? As per the age, yeah, as per the color, as per, weight. Make sense or not? They will confuse or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Let me do this. And please, no need to say yes unless and until you understand. No? Like here, guys, the way I'm telling you, you have to understand in that way. Okay, I'm telling you, you should have very good knowledge so that when you give the answer, you can confuse anybody. Fine. I want that much confidence. So you tell me, this is the way to create a list of employee. Hmm? Yep. Hello. I have list of
Yes, sir.
employee,
Yes,
and
sir.
we are making object of it using constructor which we have inside, right? New employee. Why? How syntax is? Give me a second. No. We have. I need
Name,
your
email,
help.
and age.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. This is the code which we have. Like here, this is the list. You know list, right? List is a data structure which has following features. You know it. So if I want to do sorting, what I need to do? Like one way to sort it, you can use collection dot sort. Remember, Mister?
Collections dot
So
sort.
when you do
Core
collection dot
Java.
sort, yep, core Java. I will do with Stream API as well. When I do collection dot sort, and here I'm in list. You know what happened? A list will, when you are sorting the list, employee started to cry. Hey, what do you mean by sorting? Huh? Anybody answer my question? Employee is saying, you are saying, we have to be sorted. How we can be sorted? You are not telling me any criteria. We should be sorted as per the name, as per the email, as per the age. Confusion is there or not?
Yes, sir.
So you got the problem? Yep.
Yes.
Right. So in order to solve the problem, we have comparable and comparator. Comparable and comparator is the way through which you can tell, hey employee, if I tell you you have to be sorted, then how you will be get sorted? Got the idea? Or confused still?
Got
Like
the idea, sir.
if you want to short the same thing with the help of Stream API, how you can do that? कल बताया था list dot sorted,
Sorted.
Got it.
and like after that you use.
Function.
Sorry, I'm very sorry about it. First of all, you have to convert into stream, then you call the sorted, right? After that, you can collect it. Where you can collect it after sorting again? Collect,
Collection.
and you can use collect
Collectors.
collectors
Collectors.
dot to list. Got my point? So it will return sorted list of employee. But this program is not going to run. Why, man? Because tell me why?
We have not given what
We
to
don't have
sort.
the
Yeah,
terminating.
actually, in sorting, employee confused. So in order to tell, you have two approach of doing it, right? You can use comparable and you can use comparator. Uh, you need to know the difference, right? Like if you want to use comparable is the way to tell, hey employee, how it will sorted, how it will be sorted. Can you see this, my dear? If you want to use comparable you have to use in the same class. Hello, and here you can pass employee, guys, and you have to override which method? Compare to method. Which method, man?
Compared to.
Compare.
Compare. I am saying, hey employee, somebody will started to wanted to short you. You should implement comparable, and here you can pass the object which you want to short. Same object method is compare to. You have to override. You want to short as per the name, email, age. Answer it. Tell me.
Is.
Email.
Age, email. Oh, I'm going to sort as per the both, right? First of all, I will sort as per the age. Age is same. Then you can do with. Let me do with the age first. So first object, you have to just subtract it. First object age that minus second object age. You confused? No. Hello. First current object. The first one is current minus second. When you do it, then it is sorting as per the age, ascending order. What man? Sorting as per age,
Ascending order.
ascending order. Got it? So same
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Like here, you can say comparable is used to provide default sorting. What do you say, man? Comparable
Comparable is
is
used
used
for default sorting.
for default. Somebody is talking about natural sorting. You want to say the same thing? Default sorting or natural sorting. Natural. Let me give you one layman example. Normally, when you purchase a mobile phone, right? Then your mobile phone has the default setting or not? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Like when you give the default setting, you can say again. Normally, we give the default setting for the object when we don't know the business of it. We don't know how they are going to be sorted, right? You don't have idea. Hmm? I'm designing employee, but I don't know it has to be sorted as per the name, email, or age. I don't know. So what I can do? I can provide default sorting. Yes, no, using comparable. So when you design any good API, you always provide default sorting. I hope you understand comparable.
Yes, sir.
Comparable is used to what purpose? Comparable is basically used to provide
Default sorting.
default sorting. And see, now if you provide the default sorting and you sort it, you see it would be sorted as per the age. You want to see it? Of course. Hello. I'm going to show you. Please help me. How? Like now it has to be sorted. Help me. List dot stream dot
Stream.
sorted
Okay.
dot collect. After sorting, you want to collect it back into list.
Collectors list.
Collectors dot to list to collection. It is up to you. To set. You can do in to set also. So here list dot help me. I would get the new branded list. Nah? Like another benefit of Stream API normally does not change the underlying data. It would always produce new list. Mhm. So this list, if you print it, it would be sorted. Yes, you know. Say yes.
Yes.
It would be sorted, right? So I'm just commenting this much. Abhi I commented it, my dear friend. Can I run it? My program will run or not? Yep. And sorting will be
Yes,
done
sir. It's
as per what?
as per age.
Age 20, 30, 30, 38, and 45. Got it? 20,
Yes, sir.
30, 30, 38. Anybody have any question query? Hmm? Natural sorting. Natural sorting we achieve with the help of comparable. Here I have designed the natural sorting, but somebody says I hate age. I don't want to sort as per the age. So what you can do? One way to do it, you go and change the logic of in this method. Are you with me?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Somebody saying I don't want age. I want email or name. So my dear friend, you are not supposed to modify any class. That is bad practice because normally you don't have source code. Yes, you know. Once anything is done, once class is designed, it is designed. You can't change it. Oh my God. So I cannot change my comparable comparable implementation. So what is solution? If you have some sorting behavior already defined in the employee, but later you want to change it, then what you can use? Comparator.
Comparator.
You guys are not na comparator. So what is the difference between comparable and comparator is? Comparable is used to provide default sorting, natural sorting, and it is implemented in the same class. But later, if you don't want this sorting, you hate it, or it does not meet your business requirement, then you can override the default sorting with the help of comparator. Make sense?
Compare. Yes, sir.
So how we can override it? You have to make a comparator, and comparator you have to make an object of comparator, and comparator is a functional interface. What? So let me do as a layman. You want to sort how, man? Sort by name. Understood? Then you have to implement
Sir.
comparator.
Comparator.
And here you have to pass the employee. In comparator, you have to override a method, and that method is called compare method. And it is taking 2 parameter because it is new class. Okay. So you want to short what, man?
Okay.
Name. So you
Name.
can
Yes,
say
sir.
get name dot compare to method is there. You want to compare first object name dot second object name. O2 dot get name. Make sense? The first object comparison dot second object
Yes, sir.
comparison will always come with the ascending order as per the name, and it return integer value and you can return it. This is syntax. If you want to do descending order, what you can do? You can return here either minus p, or you just do second object compare to first object, right? So it will be descending order as per the name. By 1.2 it is ascending order. Make sense? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Like this is called, creating a full class, and this full class object you can pass in this. Hello, make an object of it and pass it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now sorted is doing sorting not as per the comparable, it will do as per the comparator which you are passing. You see, John, Mocha, Nagendra, right? After M, then Ramesh, and we have 2 Ramesh, right? That's fine. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yes, sir.
But
Can we use generic instead of employee when we're making the comparator?
sir, it is already generic. Okay, comparator is taking employee, right? So it is
Yes,
it,
sir.
it is already generic I'm using, right?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
And see, somebody is saying, hey, you said Nagendra, it is a comparator is a functional interface. Why you are not using lambda? Oh my God, that much angry, eh? So what I can do is, my dear friends, comparator is a functional interface. So can we write anonymous class? Why you are creating new class, right? Unnecessarily, yes or no? Sort by name.
Yes, sir.
Like here I can make sort by name. है ना? You know, hey, you can say I know this, right? Yes or no? Yep. Hello. I'm teaching you this from a couple of days, so you know this, right? Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yep. And yep. Na? Then you teach me again, why you are doing this, layman thing, na? But you want to do in the same fashion, right? Yeah. Hello. है You can directly return it. Na? Tip. This is okay, right? So what you suggest me, guys? You suggest me here again. What you do is you delete this much and use arrow operator. What do you say? If it is only one statement, so you can write like this. What do you say? Confused?
No, sir. Pretty clear.
And somebody saying why you are writing the data type? Oh, okay. So this is the lambda for comparator, taking 2 parameter, and you can compare it, right? As per this. So you can pass this one. Up tell me which one is easy, right? Designing this big class, just define this as a variable. Nah? And this you can pass over here. What is it? Huh? Hello.
Yeah.
Somebody
Yes,
say,
sir.
hey, again, why you are passing this, man? Why you are not passing directly lambda to it? Hmm? Eh,
Yes, sir.
in real life, you will see this. Done. Which one is looking cool? Hmm? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying which one looking cool, right? This one. But I have more cool implementation of it. Let me show you. Yesterday I have shown you, right? More cool? Yep. How? Like, eh, more cool and simple. No? How? Like instead of passing lambda like this, we have a special method in it which you can use. Which method? We have comparator. In comparator, we have a special method dot comparing. Can you see this? Hello, Mr.
Yes,
And
sir.
here you can pass. You want to compare as per what? I want to compare as per name, right? So here you can write get name like this. You tell me, either you write like this or simply writing comparator dot comparing and get name. Rasul, somebody saying, hey, get name will sort as per the ascending. I want descending. So here you can put dot reversed. Are you got my point? So
Yes, sir.
here it is going to sort as per the name descending. If two name is same, then you want to sort as per the email. Hmm? Ascending. Are you with me? Like if you have two Ramesh, right? Both are same. Then you want to sort as per the email ascending. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Then we have another method. Then comparing. Can you see this? And here you can pass in. I don't know. You got it or you got super confused? Huh?
There's a lot of method.
Let me show you. Hey, but it is too cool, man. Dot dot dot. Nah? I'm telling
Yes,
you,
sir.
if you write this,
Everything happens in one line.
yeah, when you go to the interview, they will give you this kind of assignment, right? Even I don't know. I got many times this in the interviews. They said you have to write a comparator. First of all, you have to sort as per the name, descending. If name is same, then you have to sort as per the email ascending. I did it. Huh? Comparator dot comparing. First of all, you are comparing as per the name. If and then you say reversed, descending order. Then you are comparing. If both are same, then you are comparing as per email. So guys, I have shown you all the way implementation. Class. This is old method. Then I showed you this lambda one. Then I am using this super duper style. So you have to do little practice, right? But you can. I'm not saying you mug it. Even I don't remember. But you should just have idea like we can do like this. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in Java 8, we still have many things. Parallel stream is there. Java 8 date and time API. And we have input output, NIU2, that is another fantastic generics. I have taught you a little bit, but I'll teach you more about it. Hmm? So I have done with this. Okay, let me show you one a small example. Reduce, or I can show you mean and max. Mean and max. What is mean and max? This is last, but today mean as name suggests, min. If you want to find minimum value, so you can use min. Can you see this anywhere? Is there mean max? Yep, my dear friend. Like here, I don't know. Can you see this? Here I have a stream of 3 string: monkey, gorilla, bono. So what I need to find? I need to find. Please help me.
String with maximum number of
Yeah,
minimum
number of letter, right? So here, basically, in this you have to pass the comparator. If you confuse, let me know. Mean is a terminal operation. What, man?
Mean is a terminal operation.
So here I'm saying mean, and I'm passing here. This is the lambda, right? This is lambda for what? Comparator. Remember, the comparator takes 2 parameter and return integer value. Mug it. What is the definition of comparator? Comparator takes 2 parameter and returns what?
Integer.
Integer value.
Integer value. Please mug it. So because this is useful. 2 parameter taking returning integer is called comparator. Oh. So my dear friend, mean is a terminal operator. So you tell me, if you are trying to find minimum of any element, the minimum will come for sure. So in this case, what it will come? Bono, right? The string which has minimal length, right? This is having 6 and it is having 7 and this is having. So you have to use mean, but here you have to pass what? Comparator. Are you following me? Ascending order.
Yes, sir.
Like here your question is why it is optional? Because when you're trying to find mean may be there, may not be. Can you give the guarantee mean will be there for sure? No. Why? Suppose your stream is empty, in that you don't have any element. It could be possibility or not. Please reply.
Yeah,
What is
yes,
it?
sir.
You tell me when you
Simple
call
clear.
mean. When you call mean, mean will come for sure. This element will return some element. No, depend on the stream. If your stream does not have anything, like it is a empty stream. I can tell you how to make it. But you can make empty stream also. Stream with no data. In that case, it will not return anything, right? So if you have any method, guys, which can return data, which cannot return data in Java, then you can use optional. Optional and in bracket return type. Got my funda? Or you got confused? But when you get optional, optional is Java 8 feature. Optional is an interface which can hold optional value. So anywhere from any method, you are not sure either value will come or not. You are not sure about it. Then what you can use? Optional, right? So when result come, you can check, hey, it is there, is present, then you can say, give me the data. Else, data is not there. Got my point?
Yes.
Guys,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
just keeping, yeah. So I don't know you got the optional or not. Optional is one of the very good feature of the Java 8, which hold data. In which case you are not sure data will come or not. That for that case we can use optional. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I don't know. You can I don't know. Just I'm showing here. Actually, you want to print the value, right? So way. Second, you can use shortcut. This will only print the value if data is there. Can you see this? Optional if present, right? Then this is the lambda for what? Anybody tell me?
Print
This is
Printing.
this is
the
lambda,
value.
lambda, lambda. This is
Uh,
lambda for
t-
consumer, consumer,
consumer.
consumer.
Yeah,
Colon
just
colon
print.
means
Yeah,
lambda.
yeah.
Like
Anything
here
except
in e present, you see. Wow, you got confused, nah? That's cool. But you will learn it, right? Eh, you have to catch, right? When you are passing system.out. This is anonymous class. Yes, you know, because you wrote the sorter form. Yes, you know. So when you say system.out.println, I said this is lambda for
consumer.
consumer. You forget it. We talked about it, right? Somebody saying, hey, can you go in the reverse order? Why not? How, man? Well, if you want to go in reverse order, you have to write like this. Dot, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yep. Why is this
String.
being error? ST, right? You can go in more back. How? You guys are smart,
String.
right? You know the string. You should have this kind of practice. You have
SST.
to think the level I'm thinking. Okay. But you need good practice to do this. And here you can not only this much, right? You can send again. Here you can write new
Mm,
consumer.
consumer string.
Yeah. You have to do like you have to think like this because this is shortcut of that. So here, which method it takes? Accept.
Accept.
So you can use this method. I know, huh? Yep. And you can write like this. Oh, what I'm doing? We are just writing the what?
Lambda.
Anonymous class.
Oh,
Yeah, no. Lambda is the short hand of it, right? You are
yeah, we're
making it
just making it long.
longer. Long you are making it. Confused with the bracket. Curly bracket open and close. One bracket we need more for this. I think we don't need this. Okay. Confused? No. No. Now you can go in the opposite direction, right? Simple. Huh? So this is the big thing. But if you want to make it shorter, how we can make it? We did it already, right? Tick. Yeah. Confused? No. You can write either system.out : println, or you can write This one, or you can write this one. You have to think like this. Okay, people.
Yes, sir.
I think this is enough for today. From tomorrow, I'm not going to teach you lambda. Actually, my plan was start from today, but I got late. But no worries about it. Tomorrow, what we are going to do? Any guess? So two things I have. Either we can go with the design and service layer, or I can teach you REST API, how to design web services. Fine. And after teaching that, I can start JavaScript. I don't know. I don't think I have done JavaScript and jQuery for you front end thing so far.
No, sir.
No, we haven't done it.
Okay. So guys, we'll do that. Okay. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Done. Anybody have any question query for me?
I do on the last program that you wrote earlier.
Mm-hmm.
You said that our first approach should be that we have to use comparable, right? But
Mm-hmm.
you directly use comparator on that one.
Yeah.
So,
Actually,
so
see, if comparable is there, so you can directly use sorted method, right? No need to
mhm,
do anything. Barsa, you see, in sorted, no need to pass anything.
mhm.
In which situation? If an
If
employee is already if comparable is there already, no need to do anything. Sorted will work as it is. Fine.
mhm.
When you need to pass some lambda and anything in that comparator, when you want to change the existing sorting behavior. Make sense?
Yeah, but the last program that you did, you directly use comparator. So why was that? You could have
Which
used
which
comparable too,
which
right?
which program?
The last one with
This one?
yeah, this one, yeah.
Okay. Very good thing. Like here, I cannot. If you want to short it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, I want to do sorting. In this, I'm using string, and string is does sorting as per the natural ascending order, right? Alphabetically. Remember,
Yeah.
if you sort it bonob, nahi. First of all, gorilla. I'm sorry, yeah. First of all, bonob, then gorilla, and monkey element will come on the sorting, right? But that was not my intention. I don't want that natural sorting. Hello,
Yeah.
Barsa. I don't want natural sorting, right? I want
Mm-hmm.
sorting as per the length. That's why I have used comparator. You got my point?
Mm-hmm.
But here, this is not that sorted, right? That is different thing. Sorting here, I'm trying to find the mean element, right? If you want to find the mean element, then you have to always use comparator here. Here you cannot use comparable in case of mean and max. Barsa, your confusion is genuine, right? So comparable and comparator, the thing which I was talking about, that comparable you can only use for sorted. You got my point? Confused.
Yeah.
Sorted method. Are you following me? If you have
Mm-hmm.
sorted, then we can use comparable and comparator both. But what about mean and max? You can only use
Comparator.
comparator. You see the syntax, right? We don't
Mm-hmm.
have any option of mean with the no parameter, right? So mean and max, what use? Only
Comparator.
comparator. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yeah.
Like in this, you can see wild card. I will tell you what this wild card is. This is called lower bound. Okay. So we'll talk about it. No worries. Mhm.
Yes. Thank you.
Now, one thing I'm telling you guys, when you guys are in my session, if you have any confusion, please feel free to ask the questions. If I'm not able to answer your question in this session, I can answer in next sessions. Okay, no problem. But please, if I say something like I will teach you tomorrow, when you come for the session for tomorrow, remind me. And again, you said you will discuss this thing today because yesterday you couldn't discuss. Please, I'll do it. Right? Done. So guys, whatever diagram I made, yeah, whatever program I have created, I'll share with you. Right? But from tomorrow, let's start with let's resume our session. Hmm? Done. Anybody have any question, any concern, or anything which you want to share with me, please? No, yes?
Yeah, I'm good.
Cool. Okay, then I'm just giving my session till here. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome. Welcome. Bye.